First time home buyers, buckle up because you do not want to miss out on this listing. Located in the family-friendly neighborhood of Beaty, we're steps away from top-rated schools, parks, highways, transits, groceries, and so much more. Welcome home. This freehold townhome is loaded with upgrades, open concept practical layouts with a walkout to patio where you can watch the sunset from your entertainer's deck.
Together we can do anything.
The upper level features 3 generous sized bedrooms, tons of natural sunlight, perfect for growing families to create cherished memories.
Away, kaleidoscope spiraling in outer space. Nothing like I've ever seen. It's just a thing of beauty.
I hope you enjoyed the tour. This is Umar Farouk with Remax. Call me if you're interested.